Okay, this house has strip vents, but has angled ceilings in the house, partially vaulted ceilings, 8-foot wall, but they have 9-foot ceilings. So they angle the ceiling to follow the roof line, and then it flattens out. Now, as you can see, just batting insulation, so there's no airflow in between the roof deck and the sheetrock. So even though they have these strip vents all the way around, what we're doing is cutting the strip vents out, 14-inch opening, and then we're notching this out so that we can install the V-Baffle. This is the world's first retrofit baffle. Creates the airspace between the batting insulation and the roof deck. Allows the air to flow from the soffits into the attic and then out the rooftop ventilation. As you can see, V-Baffle has been installed. And now there's an airspace between the roof deck and the batting insulation. We have soffit vent stapled up in its place. Now once these vents are painted, it's going to look like a normal house. But this is the only way that you can retrofit a house with strip vents that doesn't have baffles with cathedral, partial vaulted, or angled ceilings. And so allow the ventilation to come up through the soffit vent, out the rooftop ventilation, which is going to lower the energy bills, make the house more comfortable.